Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and this is a 2018 Cadillac XTS Platinum Coach Phoenix. This vehicle has 36,000 original miles, black with a silver stripe, flag mounts and staffs, front wheel drive, polished wheels, and just about every piece of chrome you could ask for. Tuxedo top, B&C pillar chrome, crown band, rear low door chrome, which we'll see in a second as we walk around the vehicle. Opening up the door inside here, you have a Alicante floor with a titanium interior and a dark colored drape. Nice about the dark colored drapes is they stay cleaner longer and they are the biggest pain in the butt to clean. So lighter drapes make this very difficult. That is why we like to go with dark drapes. Two chrome nameplate holders, a beautiful Cadillac embroidery on both the driver and the passenger door card, along with a flip up church truck container in here. So it gives you the flexibility to stand it up vertically or lay it down horizontally under the floor. Separated umbrella tray sitting up front. Very standard on this Cadillac Phoenix. Beautiful tuxedo top, that platinum landau bar. As we wrap around to the rear here, you can see that added chrome. Chrome, low door chrome, matching that B&C pillar chrome and that crown band. Open up this fully fiberglass rear load door, which also happens to match the number 2 doors on this coach, both of which are fiberglass. That protects you from any sort of corrosion on the vehicle for the lifetime of the vehicle. There is no metal in the car, so that helps a lot, especially on those doors and the rear Hearse conversion. Front doors are standard OEM Cadillac doors, so those still have metal in them, but just the number 2 doors and the rear load door. Inside here, very nice. Titanium interior, not tuxedo, that's the top. Alicante floor, built-in urn carrier here, pops right open. The 2 stanchions are in the front seat. It does have 2 90-degree rollers back here. We can add a bumper carpet if you would like. Backup camera integrated into the lower section of the bumper. You also have a light that illuminates when you open the rear load door. Inside-wise, you have 3 lights down the center and then 1 light in each shadow box on the left and right. Platinum embroidery throughout. It says Phoenix on the sides. You have platinum emblems up on the top sides, along with this beautiful flower arrangement on the load door. Overall, vehicle is in really nice condition. It has not been redone. This is exactly how it comes directly from the previous owner. So this car will be reconditioned over the next few days. However, as you can see, it's almost perfect as it is. So it can only get better. Driver's side here, you will have a fold-up table right here, or sorry, fold-up trap door right here. Gives you a nice flexibility to pull that spare tire out. Hopefully you never have to, but there is a full-size spare tire inside this well, matching spare to the other 4 wheels on the car. This door just makes it a little easier on your back when you're on the side of the highway, yanking it out. Hopefully you don't have to use it. Most funeral directors never, ever, ever have to use it, but it's a nice option to have inside there. Once again, matching door card on the number 2 door here on the driver's side, along with those 2 chrome nameplate holders. We do offer a plethora of different style nameplates if you are interested in those as well. And some of our new ones are actually made out of acrylic, so you can customize it with colored logos as well. So not just the traditional style chrome ones. On the inside, 36,000 mile Cadillac XTS. So that gives you AM, FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth to make phone calls and play music, along with CarPlay and Android Auto. Cruise control, center column shift, remote start on the key fob, push to start, the entire 9. Don't forget this car does have 2-way clear strobes in the front grille. The click on for that is located in the driver's dome light area. You'll see a little toggle switch. It'll illuminate orange when it's on, and it will not have a light on when it's off. As we circle around the front of the car here, I'll show you those strobes now. So we like to tuck in these LED strobes on the outside of the grille. It gets them the most pronounced overall. Doesn't hide them behind the grille and basically make them dimmer. They are strobes. They're meant to have road presence. So we tuck them up in the corners. If you want to add 4-way, we can add 2 more here as well. Or we can change these to purple. But the way this car came in was 2-way clear. Very, very, very common option and probably one of our most popular. Overall, this 2018 is available currently. It is currently in stock. It is currently going through its reconditioning process. The vehicle is still available if you'd like to come down and take a peek. Or if you'd like to visit our website, 80+ photos of this vehicle on the website, along with a walk around, and this beautiful demo is linked there again. Thank you very much for taking a peek at this 36,000 mile 2018 Platinum Phoenix. Once again, this vehicle is pretty much fully kitted out. Very traditional styling, black with a silver stripe and a black tuxedo top. That beautiful urn carrier in the back gives you the flexibility to get this coach out on cremation funerals and not just traditional style. please give me a call, 800-229-5008, or visit us at parksuperior.com where you can see all the photos of this vehicle and my contact information. Looking forward to talking to you, and thank you very much.